Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Frame TV. First, let's explore its unique design. The Frame TV is designed to look like a picture frame, mounting flush against your wall. When it's off, it transforms into a beautiful piece of art, seamlessly blending into your living space. You can also personalize its appearance with interchangeable bezels, choosing from various colors and styles to perfectly complement your home's aesthetic. Art mode is where your Frame TV truly shines. You can access a vast library of world-class art through the Art Store, offering hundreds of pieces from renowned galleries. Beyond curated collections, you can also upload your own cherished photographs, turning your personal memories into gallery-worthy displays. Fine-tune the brightness and color tone to ensure your chosen artwork looks its absolute best, adapting to your room's lighting conditions. Beyond its artistic display, your Frame TV is a fully functional smart television. You can effortlessly access all your favorite streaming services, from movies to music, directly through its intuitive interface. Connecting external devices, such as a soundbar for enhanced audio or a gaming console for immersive play, is straightforward. Plus, integrated voice assistants allow for convenient, hands-free control, making navigation simple and quick. To keep your Frame TV looking pristine, gently wipe the screen with a soft, dry microfiber cloth. Avoid harsh chemicals. For energy efficiency, activate the motion sensor, which automatically turns off the display when no one is detected in the room, saving power. The ambient light sensor also intelligently adjusts screen brightness based on your room's lighting, ensuring optimal viewing and further reducing energy consumption.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.